Good morning. I hope all is well in your world. As you can see, I'm working on my quilt again. I'm hoping to have it finished by Nomad Fest in October. It is one time-consuming effort, but I should get it done. I'm hoping and praying. Cousin Tony, this is what soy looks like. Yeah, this is the big tree that fell from the storm the other night. Holy mackerel. Can you imagine if that had been next to their house? Oh my gosh.
Hold it, wait. Black ants get in there and take do a number on food. That's totally, look at that, that's rock. It's rock, man. She said yesterday, Bob said the thing was rock.
Yeah. The tree rotted from the inside out, that's why it fell.
Hey, it just looks like it.
Wow. Oh boy, that's gonna make some nice firewood this winter. Woohoo! Here in North Carolina, sporty cars like this are seen everywhere. It's because this is the race capital of the world, Mooresville. We have had a great visit with family and friends and a YouTube fan, Laura Et. Yep, we are enjoying another fire tonight. Y'all take care, stay safe, and free yourself of the stress. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.